Yes, investing is your responsibility and not just your partner's. I get it. I'm married, and often my hubby and I we have to divide and conquer whatever task that we may have to accomplish. But that division is based on decisions that we've made together. For example, my hubby is more interested in vehicles than I am. So when we're purchasing a vehicle, he's the one that looks for the type, the model, etc. But his criteria is based on the decisions that we've made together regarding the purpose of the vehicle, whether it be used for everyday commute or for family getaways. He sets his criteria based on the budget that we've agreed on. I may not be involved in choosing the particular vehicle, but I am involved in the criteria that would meet our needs. And same goes with our finances. I may be the nerd that keeps track and executes our financial transactions, but those transactions are based on previously approved financial decisions. I create the spreadsheets, but every dollar that's allocated to each item on that spreadsheet was discussed and approved by the both of us. Our financial plan includes decisions that would meet our financial goals. But why should you care? Just like we need a blueprint to build a building, we learned from wealthy people and financial gurus early on, but not early enough, that we also need a financial plan or a blueprint to build financial wealth. Investing is part of that plan to achieve financial wealth. My hubby can simply say to me, just do it because you're more interested in that than I am, which most or a lot of spouses or partners say and do. But to me, that's like saying, you're a better parent, so go ahead and take care of the child by yourself. That might be a bit extreme, but think about it. The financial decisions that your partner makes affect you and your entire family. Wouldn't you want to at least play a part in it? I recently heard a horrible story about a wealthy family who put all their life savings in one company, a family business. The business went bankrupt, and those previously wealthy people are now reaching out to other people for help. There are so many stories like this, which makes me wonder if anyone in their lives ever advised them to not put all their eggs in one basket. That could be you being the devil's advocate to your partner. You might be thinking, but my partner is good, or may at least be good at what he does. But that doesn't change the fact that you are just as responsible as your partner for building your financial wealth. What if your partner sucks? Wouldn't you want to help? Or worse, what if your partner passes away today? How would you attain financial education overnight to make sure that you and your family will be okay? Plus, it's more fulfilling and rewarding to build your financial life together and to teach your children valuable financial lessons that a lot of people never get. Stop being a bystander and start your financial education today so that you can contribute to your family's financial success.